Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the shell tool in Fusion 360. And to show you how to use the shell tool, I have designed this model over here. It is a semi-advanced use case for the shell tool. Well, let's get right into it. So in order to shell this thing, I'll have to click on the shell tool initially, and I want to create a shell that only included maybe certain sides of this thing, right? I want this bottom side to be about, I don't know, 5 millimeters thick, and then the edges or the sides like this to be 5 millimeters thick, and this bit here. So you've got to remember the shell tool is a cutaway tool. So in order to do that, I want to select all the sides that do not include the sides that I want to stay thick, right? I want this side to be a thick piece. So, right, let's just get clicking really. So that side I don't want to stay. This side, this side, this side, this side, this side, this side, and so on. And this side, right? And if you can tell, so all this bit that's facing the camera really is going to be cut away, leaving these sides to remain thick. And I'll show you what that means. So if I want, this is where you set the thickness of the material. So I said before I want it to be 5 millimeters thick. So just type in 5 millimeters, press enter, and there we go. You've got this piece that can be worn. I'm not sure if you can tell, but this is going to be the chin bit of a helmet that I'm designing. So I think the shell tool will become very useful when I'm designing this helmet. Especially for that, I can just design it solid and set the thickness that I desire, and then click on the sides, and bam, I've got the chin. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I shall see you next time.